Are they silly? Yeah. That's one cheeky little puppy. Very cheeky. Oh, gotta take a break for a drink of water there. For those of you watching, I just want you to know that the big dog, her name is Dahlia, and she is a rescued dog from the Soy Dog Foundation in Thailand. We fostered her, and then one of our wonderful clients adopted her, and she comes from Thailand. That's where the Soy Dog Foundation is. It's in Thailand, and most of the dogs that they have there are rescued from the illegal dog meat trade in Thailand. And this is a good example of why you should rescue, adopt, whatever you want to call it, a soy dog. Because most of them are super sweet, super fun, friendly, gorgeous. Right, Dahlia? Are you gorgeous? Yes, you are. You're a gorgeous girl. And super friendly. I mean, look how she plays with this puppy. This puppy is just a few weeks, well, he's a few months old. He's maybe 14 weeks now, I think. And she's having a blast playing with him. And most of the dogs from the Soy Dog Foundation are really, really good, sweet, fun-loving, funny dogs that really desperately need foster homes and forever homes, adopted homes. There's a horrible illegal dog meat trade there in Thailand, in Phuket. That's where the Soy Dog Foundation is. And when the police raid or seize truckfuls of dogs that are on their way to a terrible fate, Soy Dog takes those dogs in and takes care of them and brings them back to health if they have health problems, and finds foster homes and adoptive homes for them. And like I said, I mean, most of them are super sweet, super funny, super friendly, super playful. I mean, there's just something about a soy dog. They all are really sweet, it seems like, and hilarious. So please contact www.soydog.org. That's soy dog spelled S-O-I. Soy means street dog, soy dog. because a lot of them were street dogs that were absconded by horrible people who use them for the illegal dog meat trade. So they scoop them up off the street, they steal them from people who own them, but most of them were street dogs, so that's where the name soy comes from, S-O-I. It doesn't mean street, but it's similar. It's like alley or back alley or something like that. But you get the hint. So if you want to... Oh, and by the way, I mean, Dahlia is not always super active like this. She can also settle down. She's just, she's a great dog. And our other foster, we have a foster right now named Chara, and she's also from Soy Dog Foundation. She just was out on a woofer walk, so she's really tired and she's sleeping, but she too is also super sweet and super friendly and super fun. So, yeah. Just thought I'd show you that they're pretty awesome dogs and they need homes. So contact Soy. They also have a Facebook page, so there you go. See? Hey. Now this one on the other hand,
What's wrong?
Zeke has a home, thank goodness, because he's not really adoptable. Oh God, how cute they are.